Hi everyone, it's Phil from Lost Weekends with Juliet.
And we finally picked up our van. Isn't it lovely? I absolutely adore it.
It is very nice, I've got to admit, and Longtons were very good with us. Now, we've thought we'd share our footage today, and it's going to be about the van. It's not going to be a review, it's just how we're using it. And no doubt some people might think, well, I'd use it differently. If you do and you've got any ideas, great. Just leave them in the suggestions at the bottom in the comments, and we'll pick them up as and when we can. So let's go and have a look round, and let's see how Lost Weekends use their caravan. Okay, so this is our bathroom and the shower as normal. And just stepping back, what we've done is we've put a piece of that foam matting down in the shower. Now, we have used our shower for the simple reason is we were advised when you get a new van, take it somewhere and test it. So that's what we're doing at the moment. We've had a shower in it, it's very good, we're very pleased with it. So that's the sink. And there you go, there's Juliet's mat, which works really well in here. It does absorb the moisture. As we all know, Sprites don't come with carpet in here, and to be honest, we're not really carpet fans in bathrooms, but the mat, it just absorbs the water when you first get out of the shower, so we're pretty cool with that. And then moving over, you've got the usual loo, and just above here we're just storing our toiletry bags at the moment on this little shelf. Now, we haven't filled all the cupboards, and I'm not opening all the cupboards neither. It's just a simple look round. Now, we were chatting with Galloway's Getaways a while ago, and they were warning us that the Duvet mattresses are quite firm, and they're quite correct, they are firm. However, they suit us, to be fair, and we're quite pleased with it. We know that over a period of time it will soften up a little bit, but if you are not used to a hard mattress, then perhaps you might want to think of a thick mattress protector just to give you a bit more cushioning. And just to show you there, as we did a video a while ago, well, Juliet reviewed the leisure bedding fitted sheets that fit this particular Transverse Island bed. We find them really good. They are 100% cotton, and they're you have to pre-wash them, but they are really comfy, really nice. So we're thumbs up to the leisure bedding for that. So in the corner there, Juliet's got a vanity unit, and we've got the fan on at the moment. I'll be honest with you, we need it. It's really warm at night. We try and cool the van down as much as possible by venting with the windows, but it does get quite hot. And there's a nice vanity cupboard there with a mirror. And this is what the van looks like from the back end to the front. So this little piece, we're going to talk about the Dometic fridge. It's the new one that they've brought out, and to be fair, it does cool very quickly. There is an issue with it, however, just for everybody who's going to be picking one of these up. The control panel is very sensitive. If you brush past it, it actually changes it. Juliet's only 5 foot and a little bit, and she seems to knock it more than me because of the height of the countertops. So it's just to bear in mind. What I'm thinking of doing is trying to get a piece of clear plastic and figure out a way of just covering it over like a clear flap, if you will, so you can't activate the buttons because they're so sensitive. So this is our television area. At the moment the TV is sat on the unit, however we do plan to change that. We're going to put it on a bracket and have it a bit further up, probably about there, so that we can utilise the top a bit more. But the aerial works fine, it's great, it gives a good picture. Just for the benefit of anybody who's just bought a TV and they're installing it, you need a coax cable which is male and male on either end. Don't get one with a female on, because unfortunately the sockets on the TV, especially this Born from Aldi, and your one in the van are female sockets, so it's male to male coax. Luckily we've borrowed one off the site where we are, so we've been able to test our TV and everything works fine, so we're really pleased with that. It's great. Okay, I said I wasn't going to open a cupboard, but I'm going to open this one in particular and just highlight something. I know other people have done videos on them, but I will mention this. I can't understand in this modern age why they insist on putting FM radios in modern caravans. We're in DAB, people. Let's get a DAB. So that is a DAB radio. I bought it separate. I've took the other one out, to be honest with you. It wasn't much cop anyway. And I've replaced it with a DAB radio. I bought it from 1000's. There's no product reviews on it. It's just, that's what I got. And obviously we're storing a bit of our tech up there as well, aren't you? Some books. Guess what we're reading this summer. So at the front of the van, this is where we do all our charging mainly. We got one of them USB sockets that Here We Talk reviewed, and over here at the moment is our Bose dock, which is great for listening to your own tunes rather than the radio. Now this area is quite handy actually. There are two sockets, so it's brilliant. There are no USBs, but unfortunately, as we say, this is an entry-level van. They don't come in them, but you can replace them. These caps can come off, and you can actually replace them. So, moving along, there's Juliet's Caravan. Oh yeah, that's a retirement card that my auntie sent me. I think it's pretty cool. What do you think? And then just moving over, we've got my Joffrey bear hiding in the corner, ready for when Alfie gets here. Now the pull-out table on the chest. Juliet made quite a simple cover for it. It's ideal. I spoke red wine on it already, and thankfully it's not gone through. So we're really chuffed with that. It's a nice little simple piece of material, hemmed around all sides, and there you go. Juliet also bought some new turquoise green cushions to go with it, and they're the standard ones you get with the van. So I know the Sprite trim is not to everyone's taste. We really like it. The only thing is, you've got to be mindful with the white worktops, but the upholstery is really nice. It doesn't show the muck, and to be honest with you, it's pretty comfortable. So, some of the optional extras that we added to the Caravan are, we had a gas barbecue point fitted, and also over here is a 230 volt socket, which is brilliant. Well, that's our van. That's how we have it.
We've done the cupboards twice actually, but we're getting there. We're getting everything where it should live, and really relaxing and enjoying it. Been up here 2 days now.
Yep.
At Windy Harbour.
Yeah, we're at Windy Harbour near Blackpool, and we just brought the van up just to test it, like we say. And it's doing really well. We're really pleased. I know it's early days, obviously. There's nothing much for us snagging at this moment in time, which you wouldn't expect anyway, to be fair. So yeah, we're really enjoying it. So thanks for dropping by, and we'll see you soon. And if you'd like to subscribe, please click up there. Or if you would like to receive further updates from us, don't forget to hit the bell button, and please leave a comment.
Yeah, thank you. Bye now.
Bye bye. See ya.